Welcome everyone. So yes, a lot of people thought that the answer for this one is 2, but that is incorrect. The reason is that whenever you have a division sign between two numbers, okay, you will follow the rule of what KCF, which is what A, we'll keep the first number as it is. Change the division sign to multiplication, and then you do the flipping of the next number, which is what reciprocal of B, that gets you 1 upon B. Okay, now the problem is, this is one thing which got sorted, but here a lot of people thought that we need to multiply this 2 with this bracket first. No, that's not correct. If that was the case, they would have given you this particular bracket. Okay, so actual question is nothing but what, 48. We'll keep the first number as it is. Divide. So divide, we'll change the division sign to multiplication, and then we'll take reciprocal of 3, which is 1 upon 3. Similarly, change the division sign to multiplication and take reciprocal of 2, that is 1 upon 2. And here, because there is no sign involved, it is just multiplication. And here we do according to BODMAS or PEMDAS, whatever you follow. Okay, first operation that needs to be done is what? Do the parentheses or do the brackets. So 1 plus 3, that gets you 4. So now this is your correct method of operation. Now please understand, whenever you have just multiplication, okay, just multiplication, you get the liberty of dividing, or sorry, of doing it from any ways. But just to not make mistakes, let's do it from left to right. So this is 1 za and this is 16 za. This is 1 za and 8 za. So 4 into 8, that answer comes out to be 32. Please remember, a lot of people thought the actual question was 48 into 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 into 4. So if that is the case, yes, a lot of people go think that everything has to be cancelled, and then the answer comes out to be 2. But please understand, this is absolutely wrong. If that was the case, the entire bracket would have been involved with the 2. Okay, I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.